Hi, I'm Chelsea, Senior Sales Consultant at CSAV Systems. I'm here today at Canoe Brook Country Club, a Platinum Club of America, located right here in Summit, New Jersey. Come on, let's go take a look. Our team worked with Canoe Brook to understand the needs for implementing a new sound and video system within various areas of their club. This includes the 4,500 square foot state-of-the-art performance center, the employee house, and outdoor areas such as their tennis courts, pool, caddy bench, and putting green locations. In the fitness center, we installed a high-quality sound system and large HD displays, which allows for club members to enjoy as they are working out. We also worked with the fitness equipment company to integrate DirecTV on each piece of cardio equipment. With wireless microphones installed in the aerobics room, members can remain motivated and engaged. As we walk through the outdoor pool area, you can see how wall-mounted speakers complement the space while creating an inviting and entertaining environment. CSAV installed speakers surrounding the pool, tennis courts, and putting green areas, as well as several monitors around the dining and bar spaces. After the installation of a project, our relationship is just getting started. We provide our clients with a 3-year parts and labor warranty. In addition, a custom managed service agreement is available for all of our clients. Over the course of 4 years, we have worked with Canoe Brook on providing training on existing equipment, timely service calls, and offering additional AV upgrades throughout the years. At CSAV Systems, we pride ourselves in serving with solutions, maintaining strong relationships with our valued clients. Are you ready for your AV consultation? Call us today. We'd love to help.